Under $10, a show where I find the very best food in the world that costs less than $10. We're gonna get some Filipino food. Today we're going to Manila Grille in Buena Park. They do a 2-item plate with rice for $9.50. I got sisig, which I believe is pork, and then I got adobo, and then I got a whole big side of rice. All right, so I'm gonna try this sisig first. Oh, that's so yummy. I believe it's pork. And it's like chopped up very kind of fine, but it's got the fattiness of the pork with the sweet and sour and spice of these kind of peppers. And I don't even know what's in it. I wish I did. But what I do know is it's delicious. Got the adobo in there. This smells so freaking good. It's chicken. Oh my God. It's really rich and salty, and the chicken is so tender. The sauce is so good. I am beyond thrilled. Manila Grille in Buena Park's one of my new favorite places to go. Try some Filipino food if you haven't. You're gonna like it. You're probably gonna love it, and it's probably gonna be your new favorite cuisine.